If you are a pro or enterprise license holder of OPTIM, you have the ability to use the multiplayer collaborative template in your projects. This template allows you to easily set up a multiplayer session across multiple devices. Installing the template is quite easy. First, let's click on this menu icon labeled Template on the left-hand side of the OPTIM window here. In the screen that opens, you will see a brief overview of what the template does. Clicking on the More Information button will open your web browser to the documentation for the template. Clicking on the Download and Install button will begin the process of downloading the necessary files for the template from our servers. Let's do that now. Depending on the download speed of your internet connection, it may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes for this process to complete. Once the download is complete, OPTIM will prompt you to restart the editor. So let's go ahead and do that now. Once the editor is back up, you should see a new OPTIM window with a drop-down menu to select your default map. In this list, you will see every map in your current project, including the default OPTIM conference room map. The conference room map allows you to stream in your own 3D models for viewing in a multiplayer collaborative session. For the purpose of this tutorial though, let's go ahead and tell OPTIM to set our default map to the one we have open here in the editor to simulate a designer view session of this rooftop bar and deck. Now if we were to package the game and open it, we will see the OPTIM UI screen open with various settings. We'll cover these in a separate video.